Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask mobile to PC. It's important to understand that your mobile and desktop MetaMask wallets are typically separate instances. The goal isn't to mirror one onto the other, but rather to use your mobile wallet as a secure authenticator for transactions initiated on your desktop browser. This method provides an extra layer of security, keeping your private keys safely on your mobile device, while interacting with decentralized applications on a larger screen. The most common and secure way to bridge your mobile wallet to a desktop application is through Wallet Connect. First, navigate to the decentralized application you wish to use on your desktop browser. Look for the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner. Upon clicking, you'll often see several wallet options. Select Wallet Connect. This will display a unique QR code on your computer screen, ready for scanning with your mobile device. Now, grab your mobile phone and open your MetaMask application. Within the app, locate and tap the scanner icon, which usually looks like a square or a QR code symbol, often positioned at the top of the screen. Carefully align your phone's camera with the QR code displayed on your desktop. Once scanned, your mobile MetaMask will prompt you to confirm the connection to the desktop decentralized application. Always review the details before approving. Security is paramount when interacting with decentralized applications. Always double-check the website's URL to ensure you are on the legitimate site and not a phishing scam. After completing your transactions, it's a good practice to disconnect your wallet from the decentralized application. Remember, your seed phrase and private keys are the ultimate access to your funds. Never, under any circumstances, share them with anyone, even if they claim to be support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.